everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a review of this wig from Alipearl hair. Now this is their Peruvian waterway 4x4 lace wig, and it's 22 inches, so it's kind of made like a wig on the cap with the tracks in the back, and then the front it has the closure and combs and adjustable bands. So right there at the top you'll see that it has like a lace mesh enclosure. What you have to do is go in and actually cut that off. Now I wanted to make sure I showed you guys that on this video, because before I had a wig like this and I didn't show you guys what I did. But it's made exactly how your standard wigs are. You just have to go in and cut that thread and cut it off, and once you cut the little flower lace portion off, it's gonna look exactly like a regular lace closure wig. So as you can see, it's just a normal lace closure, and you can go in and bleach the knots. Now this wig is super affordable, so I wanted to go ahead and put it to the test. So I decided to do some ombre on it. I wanted to do kind of like a two-tone ombre. So I'm gonna go in with my bleaching powder first, bleaching process. And you want to make sure your bleach is nice and soupy, a really nice soupy texture. And the hair is actually super beautiful. I'm surprised for the cost of this wig how nice the hair texture is. So I'm just going to apply the bleach my lazy way, and I'm just going to paint it on with my fingers. This works really well if you want to do an ombre, because it doesn't have to be, you know, necessarily perfect. So go ahead and paint that on. And once I was done painting that on, I let it process for about 45 minutes, I believe. And you want to make sure you're fading those edges just so you don't have a hard line of demarcation, because that'll make your wig look choppy and weird. So this is how the hair came out. I was so surprised that it bleached as well and still had its curl pattern. It's still very soft. It lifted amazing, and I'm really surprised the quality of this hair. Like, what? Now I'm doing my second coloring process, and I'm just gonna apply that like towards the ends, because I wanted that to be a little bit lighter, because I wanted to have like a gradient ombre effect. So this is what it looks like. It still has its curl pattern, still very soft and shiny and healthy. I'm just blown away with this little wig here. Now I'm gonna blow dry my wig straight to prepare it for curling, because like I said to you guys, I really wanted to put these wigs to the test. A lot of times we get these wigs from Aliexpress and we don't really test them out for you guys. So I wanted to, you know, give it a hard test just so you can see if it's worth the money or not. And it straightened out pretty good with the blow dryer. And now I'm just adding some curls in it with my Babyliss Pro. I wanted some nice big curls all over. And as you guys can see, it curls pretty good. Like, it held a nice tight curl even after all the chemical processes, and it didn't feel damaged or anything like that. So once I was done curling, I just went ahead and combed it out. You guys will see that in the next clip. And I'm actually going to show you guys what the color looks like in natural lighting, because that's really important. These studio lights can really throw off the color. And if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check the description bar below. All the links and details will be down there. And I didn't experience any like shedding or tangling. The hair feels super soft. I really love the color that I came up with, and I didn't have to use any toner or anything. This is all just bleach, and it looks so cute with my complexion. I'm really loving the two-tone ombre. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.